So on my client, she has this extra dry hair, and her ends are much drier than the rest of her hair, which is normal for those who have natural hair because the porosity on the ends is normally a little bit higher than what's on the extension of the hair. So I'm going to use a combination or a cocktail of conditioners on her hair prior to putting her under the dryer with a cap on. I've already saturated her hair with the Honey and Almond Moisture Whip Conditioner by Naked, and now I'm about to take some of the Essations Moisture Sheen Conditioner, which I already have here on my hands, and I'm going to apply it directed straight to the ends of her hair so that it can work on the ends along with the Moisture Whip Conditioner and give her an extra added boost of moisture along these ends that really need some repair. Once I finish applying it and fingering through it, I will go and put a cap on her hair and put her under the dryer for about 10 or 15 minutes so that she can get this nice moisturizing conditioning treatment.